Hi everyone, we're group 2. Our team members are Yitang Chen, Shangyu Ko, Chen Yu, Yunchen Yin, and our project is Twitter dashboard. So our project is about we want to make a Twitter analytic dashboard to visualize features from Twitter datasets. To improve the backend performance, we propose the caching strategy. With the caching strategy, we enhance the database query performance by caching up the intermediate query result to save execution time. And this is what our website will look like. So there are some challenges we met during this project and some strategies we deal with the challenge. The first challenge we met is the database query requires a big amount of time when searching in the disk. So our solution is we found out that memory search is way faster than disk search. So we put data in the memory to enhance performance. Another challenge we met is the data in a disk is large, but the memory size is limited. So we put part of the data in the memory, but which part of data should we put in the memory? We later found out that user query result can be reused. By building an in-memory database based on the basic searching, we can execute advanced searching in the database. So our workflow is, there is front end. Front end is in charge of sending the query to the backend, and it is also in charge of showing the visualization of the query results. For our backend, it is responsible for a request from database if needed, and also cache query result for future use. And our database store the datasets by relational schema. At the end, we can see the performance. First, we set up the first query, which is all, including all the time, all the keywords, and also all the source. Then we set up another subquery, which limited keywords to thrones, games, watchings, and also limit the time and the data source. And eventually we can see the speed up is all larger than 1, which means our caching strategy that stores the intermediate query results does improve the query performance. To conclude, in this project, we built a full-stack website to show tweet analysis. And in the backend, to improve the query performance, we use memory cache method to accelerate the query execution. And we build a temporary database on memory to cache up the intermediate result, which we use it for the next related query. Now it's time for demo. First, we search query. In this full-stack website, we can see we have Twitter dashboard, search, and about. So we click search, and we choose the time, and we choose keywords, and for the source, we choose all. And this is for the first query. And down here, we can see the query time. Memory query time, this query time, and the speed up is 1. And here is the word cloud, and there is the frequency of the search appears in the daytime and also the date. And down here, you can see the actual tweet that fits our query. So there's the text of the query, the time, and other informations. And we show them all in here. For subquery, we can limit the source, which you can choose Avengers Endgame. Or you can limit the search time. And here you can see, based on the first query, we already saved the data in our memory. So when we are doing the subquery, which limits the start time and end time, the speed up is 67, which is way faster than before. And this is the end of our project. Thank you, everybody.